For a voiceover artist, the voice is not just a tool. It is the very foundation of their craft. While vocal warm-ups, diction drills, and performance practice are essential, one often overlooked yet lifelong necessity is breath control. Breathing exercises are not simply warm-ups. They are a voice artist's anchor. They help maintain vocal health, enhance stamina, and ensure clarity and emotional delivery in every recording session. Without proper breath support, the voice can sound strained, shaky, or shallow. Over time, this can lead to vocal fatigue, reduced range, and even long-term damage. On the other hand, consistent breathing practice keeps the voice steady, powerful, and expressive, no matter the script's demand. Let us discuss 5 essential breathing exercises for voice artists. Number 1. Belly breathing. Belly breathing strengthens diaphragm support, allowing artists to sustain longer phrases without running out of breath, and adds depth to the voice. Place one hand on your stomach. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand while keeping your chest still. Exhale slowly through the mouth and repeat the same for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 2. Pranayam or Yogic Breathing. Pranayam expands lung capacity, calms nerves, and promotes smooth airflow. Ideal for long narrations and emotional control while recording. Sit comfortably with a straight spine. Inhale deeply through the left nostril. Now close the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. With the left nostril still closed, inhale using the right nostril. Now exhale through the right nostril and continue the same process for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 3. Kharaj Riyaz or low pitch practice. Kharaj Riyaz is best practiced with a musical instrument like harmonium or keyboard on lower notes, from Sa, Madhya Saptak to Pa, Madhya Saptak, and vice versa. It strengthens the vocal cords, improves resonance, and connects breath with voice, giving depth and richness to the tone. Take a deep breath. Play the note Sa from Madhya Saptak or middle octave and produce a long, steady Ah sound along with it while exhaling from the mouth. Repeat the same for the Madhya Saptak or lower octave notes Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, and then go all the way back to the middle octave Sa. Repeat the whole process for 3 to 4 times. Number 4. Inhale and breath retention. Inhaling and retaining breath improves lung strength, builds control for long sentences, and prevents running out of breath during recordings. Inhale deeply through the nose. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds without strain. Release air slowly and steadily and repeat the same for 5 to 10 minutes. Last and number 5, blow candle exercise. Blow candle exercise trains airflow control, sharpens articulation, and develops the ability to sustain steady energy across different styles of voice work. Sit upright and comfortably. Take a deep breath, exhale gently, and try to blow out all the candles on an imaginary cake. Repeat for 3 to 5 minutes. breath is the life force of every voice. For voiceover artists, it is more than survival. It is a secret to stamina, clarity, and emotional impact. By practicing belly breathing, pranayam, Kharaj Riyaz, breath retention, and candle blowing daily, you not only protect your voice but also elevate to its fullest potential. Remember, the voice will age, but with disciplined breath work, its power and expressiveness can last a lifetime.